Hello and welcome to this new video on how to translate photos in Google Translate. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Google Translate and press enter in the keyboard. Now the Google Translate is shown you in the search results, and below the translation part there is an open in Google Translate. So you just have to click on it and it will open in Google Translate in full screen. So in order to translate photos, you just need to look in the top navigation bar. There is images option. In the second, you just need to click on the images. After that, you can just drag and drop the file here, or you can just look in the right hand side and there is browser files, and when you click on it, you will have access to your device and you can just choose the image or photos that you want to translate and just press enter in the keyboard, and after that the Google Translate will translate the photos for you. So this is how you can easily translate photos in Google Translate. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.